Hello, I'm Karen Bolda, Expedia Group's B2B Chief Product and Technology Officer. I'm excited to introduce our B2B travel business, Private Label Solutions. We power over 70,000 businesses and 160,000 travel advisors worldwide. And this success with our global network of B2B partners is a key driver for Expedia Group's revenue growth. Our B2B offerings are tailored for businesses, whether they're already in the travel space or new to the industry. Some examples include Rapid API, White Label Template, Expedia Travel Agent Affiliate Program, and Fraud Prevention Service. Our offerings provide industry-leading tech capabilities and extensive travel supply. We're using AI throughout our solutions and are always investing in our tech, which enables our B2B partners to lead in innovation as technology changes. Partner with us to unlock Expedia Group's global reach, advanced technology, and industry expertise. Let's build the future of travel technology together.